We're going to look at reduction of a reducible representation, and the numbers that are given here in green was provided for you in the problem. And now you're going to use the character table to do a systematic reduction of the reducible representation to obtain the constituent irreducible representations. So here in green I have my reducible representation, and I'm going to do 8 times 1 times the character under A1. Character under A1 here is 1. So 8 times 1 times 1 gives me a value of 8. Now 8 times minus 1 times 1 gives me minus 8. 3 times 4 times plus 1 gives me a character of 12. 6 times minus 2 times plus 1 gives me a character of minus 12. And then finally, 0 times 6 times 1, of course, gives me a 0. And 8 minus 8 plus 12 minus 12 plus 0 gives me a sum of 0 here, and 0 divided by 24, of course, is 0. Now comes the part where we want to match the pattern of the table. And if we start here with the A1 and go down, we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So in our pattern, we're going to have 8, 8, 16, 24, 24. Okay, so number, double, triple, triple. That's what we've done. In the next one here, our pattern is 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 0. So we're starting with a negative, so this is a more complicated case. So we have negative 8, negative 8. Now we're going to change signs and have positive 8 because that's what happened up top. Sign, sign, reverse sign. So negative 8, 8. And then these are going to be easy because they're 0, 0. Next, our character table has 1, 1 plus 2. So we're going to have 12, 12 plus 24. And then minus 1, minus 1, so we're going to have 12, 12 to follow the same pattern. They had 1, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. We're going to have 12, 12, 24, minus 12, minus 12. Next, again, we have a negative sign here, so that can be confusing. Our pattern up top is plus 1, minus 1. Our signs are flipped, so it's going to be minus 12 plus 12. And then 0. And next, minus 12. And 12. Okay, up top it was sign, reverse sign, 0, sign, reverse sign. So sign, reverse sign, 0. Sign, reverse sign. Okay, easy one, all zeros. Now we can do the sums of everything else. So 8 minus 8 plus 12 is 24. 24 divided by 24 is 1. 16 plus 8 plus 24 is 48. 48 divided by 24 is 2. 24 minus 12 is 0. 0 divided by 24 is 0, of course. And then 24 minus 12 plus 12 is 24. That leaves us a 1. So finally, our reducible representation now is 1A2 plus 2E plus 1T2.